what do we do? I told you like this. If suppose if you have this benzene ring connected with SO3H, and if somebody asks you to remove this SO3H, there is one method. Either you throw some amount of water or you throw some amount of dilute acid. So if you throw some dilute acid or water only, so what happens? Desulfonation takes place. This is very, very important reaction. Very important reaction. Why? Because this reaction is used to block the position of to block the position of uh, a particular position of benzene. For example, let's say if I ask you, if I ask you, please make this. If I ask you to convert this into this in major amount. Let's say this is the conversion. You have to convert this toluene into 2-bromotoluene. Okay. Now, how can you make this? I told you that this electron releasing group, I hope you remember from resonance, I told you this plus M and minus M groups. Plus M is orthopara directing and minus M is meta directing. Remember? Means I told you if you have electron donating group, that will be orthopara directing. Okay, orthopara directing. And if you have EWG, it will be meta directing. Sooner or later, we will see that, let's say, if I attach something on here and something on here, what do you think? Do you think that Br on ortho position of CS3 will be more stable or Br on para position of CS3 will be more stable? Can you guess where this Br will be more stable? When I put it on ortho position of CS3 or when I put it on para position of CS3? Think. Where I'm just asking a general question, where this Br will feel more stable, whether on ortho position of CS3 or para position? How? More plus I. You are saying more plus I. Okay. Uh, I hope you remember I told you plus I is very minute effect. It is considered at the end only. Now I hope you understand here that this PR and this CSA they are very close. So what they will do, they will start repelling each other. They will start repelling each other. I hope you remember ortho effect I discussed. Remember? So this position is not good for BR. This ortho position is not good for BR. But I am asking you to put BR on the ortho position of CS3. I am asking you to put BR on ortho position of CS3. Now, how will you do this? Let's understand. Let's see. How can we make this conversion? We will play a game. We will play a game with our toluene. First of all, we will treat our toluene with whom? Concentrated H2SO4. Tell me what will be the product? Concentrated H2SO4 means what will be attached? We have what will be attached if we are using concentrated H2SO4 means this is sulfonation going on. SO3H will be attached. Now, can you tell me there are two options, ortho or para, where this SO3H will be attached in major amount? You can answer very easily. Where SO3H will be more stable? So that's why this para product will be formed in major amount. This will be formed in major amount. Now, again we will treat it with Br2 FeBr3. What is Br2 FeBr3? Can you remind me? This reagent, what does this mean? Br2 FeBr3. What is the meaning of this reagent? Yes, it is halogenation. Check the notes. It is halogenation. Halogenation means it will provide us Br plus. It will provide us Br plus. Now I hope you understand that para position of CS3 is blocked now. Para position of CS3 is blocked. Can you see? The para position of CS3 is blocked. There is SO3H setting. Okay. And one more thing. Check the minus M and plus M effect. Tell me SO3H is orthopara directing or meta directing. Please check. Is it EWG or EDG? Please check. Once I'm saying it is EWG or EDG. Check. In plus M minus M. SO3H is para EWG or EDG. Will it donate like how? Where it is written? I never gave this. Please check. Is it SO3H is electron donating group? Where it is written? Did I say this? Did I give SO3H written in SO3H in EDG category? Please check which series you are following. Which series you are checking. Find SO3H either in minus, either in inductive effect or in mesomeric effect. Find it where it is written. Where it is written SO3H. It is EWG. It has minus I, not just minus I, very strong minus I, as well as it has got strong minus M also. After NO2, there are one or two, or directly it is in top three of minus M, I believe. Now, so that means it will be EWG. So now electrophile. Electrophile means Br plus. Where this Br plus will go? Orthopara of SO3H or meta of SO3H? Meta. Electron withdrawing group will send. So now next Br will come on meta of SO3H or ortho of CH3. Can you see this thing? Now Br has got no other option. Br cannot go any other. Br will go either to ortho position of Br or meta position to SO3H. Both are same. Both are same in this case, isn't it? Now, what we will do next? We will throw some water here. What water will do? What water will do? Yes, water will simply remove your SO3H. So you will be left with this only, and this will be your major product. But let me tell you, without putting SO3H on para, it was very difficult. Without putting SO3H on para, it is very difficult to bring Br on ortho position of CS3. Why? Because on ortho position, Br is relatively less stable. Okay, please note this. This is conversion. I hope you have written. Yes. So it is just the use of this reaction I told you. Complicated? Good. Now, so we have discussed about this SO3H sulfonation as well. Now the fourth reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now there are two type of Friedel-Crafts reaction. First is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In further future, I will start calling Friedel-Crafts reaction as FCR. It is very long name. So now, in further future, you will find me saying FCR, FCR. So FCR is nothing but your Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now, there are two type of Friedel-Crafts reaction. One is alkylation, and other one is acylation. Okay. How reaction happens? Let's see. We treat our benzene ring with Rx in presence of Lewis acid such as AlX3, BF3, or FeX3. These three provide us this combination. This combination provides us electrophile as R plus. Okay. Now can you get me the product of this reaction? Electrophile is Rx. Can you get me the product of this reaction? Yes, please. Electrophile is R plus. So what I told you earlier, whatever your electrophile is, just simply attach it with benzene ring like this. That's it. This will be your product. Plus HX. This will be your another product. Complete this. Other reagents. What other reagents we can use? We can use alkene along with H plus. If you have alkene and you treat it with H plus or Lewis acid also, so you will get R plus. Similarly, you can have alcohol. You can treat alcohol with H plus or Lewis acid. So this also gives you R plus. I hope you remember, I told you this reaction. ROH gives us H, reaction with H plus. Do you remember how reaction starts? Oxygen lone pair attacks on H plus. It becomes. So ultimately you get R plus. So that's what I'm writing. You can use both alkene along with alcohol with H plus or Lewis acid or any other way. Or any other way if you can produce carbocation. This R plus is nothing but your carbocation. Okay, good. Please complete this. Then let's understand the mechanism of this reaction. Should I give mechanism? Mechanism. Mechanism is easy. I hope you understand. You have Rx and you have taken Lewis acid. Let's take example of AlX3. We have taken AlX3. How reaction will start? This is Lewis acid. So definitely it will act as Lewis base. I hope you can see lone pair on halogen as well. I hope you can do this. So what you are going to get? Are you getting this? X donated electron pair to aluminium. So aluminium will get minus charge and X will get plus charge. Now I hope you understand here delta plus is coming. So this X will try to break one of its bond. So eventually you will get R plus and you will get X Al X3 minus. I hope it is clear. Now what is this? What is this? This is electrophile. Okay, good. Now this was your first step, generation of electrophiles. Second, attack of electrophiles. So how attack of electrophile will take place? This electrophile will go to benzene ring asking for help, asking for help. So benzene ring will, full of emotion, it will donate electron pair to this carbocation. Exactly same mechanism, exactly same. This is what we call arenium carbocation. I hope you remember. Arenium carbocation. And what is the next step? Can you remember? Remind me. Third step. What was the third step? Third step is deprotonation. I hope you remember. Now, who will do the deprotonation? Can you tell me? Who will perform deprotonation? See, this H is highly acidic. In fact, you can call it Maha-acidic, as we discussed earlier. Now, since this H is Maha-acidic, so who will remove this H? Can you tell me? We have already seen it. Deprotonation by X, Al, X3. How? Let me show you. Exactly the same as halogenation. Exactly the same. See, like this X minus will pull the electron pair of this H, and ultimately you are going to get this. I mean, it is not important to know who is going to do protonation, but someone will definitely come and it will perform the very much required, it will perform the very much required deprotonation. Anyone can come and do the same. Okay. If you wish, you can write it from here. First of all, you will get X minus from AlX4 minus, and then that X minus will perform the deprotonation. So ultimately, what happened? One of the H got replaced by R. One of the H got replaced by R. Please note this. Completed? Well, B. Friedel Craft acylation. Friedel Craft acylation. Okay, let's see what is the meaning of Friedel acylation. See, this carbocation, this is called acylium carbocation. This is called acylium cation. Is it stable or unstable? Is it stable or unstable? Can anyone comment? How? So what? Plus is on carbon, but I hope you can see this lone oxygen can donate electron pair like this. Means oxygen can throw the ball. Remember, catch, catch. So once it happens, oxygen gets plus and everyone's octet is completed. So it is resonance stabilized carbocation. It is resonance stabilized cation. Okay. So what I mean to say, this carbocation is stable. Let me write the reaction. Should I write? Now see, reaction is this. The combination of these two generates this carbocation, acylium carbocation. Can you draw the product? Can you draw the product? Yes. No. See, you have generated carbocation or you have generated this plus. Plus is what? This is your electrophile. Now bring this electrophile exactly in the same manner as you have made it, like this. Okay? And simply connect it with benzene ring. That is your product. Means like this. And plus byproduct will be HX. Byproduct will be HX. From where H is coming? This H is coming from this place. The H which you have replaced. Okay? Write the mechanism on your own. I am giving you 2 minutes. Generate electrophile, show a type of electrophile, remove proton. You have to do it on your own. I am giving you 2 minute time, not more than 2 minutes. It is 3:27 in my watch. I will start at 3:29. Think whatever you feel like, you try to do that. Whatsoever you feel. Done. Still 1 minute left. I told you 27 was there. Fine. So let me show you the mechanism. If you have done exactly the same, then congratulations. You have started writing mechanisms. Okay, please turn off. Please turn off your mic. Now, first of all, this RCOX, it will donate electron pair to your Lewis acid. Let's say Lewis acid is AlX3. So you'll get this. And now this bond will be broken. You will get what I wanted, this. Have you done exactly the same? Okay, very well. Then it is correct. Now what happens? Please turn off your mic. You are causing so much noise in the background. Now this pi bond will attack here. You will eventually going to get this. But this H is highly acidic. So in the next step, what will happen? This X minus coming from, I'm not writing that from where it is coming. Or let me write. It will take hardly 1 minute or 10 seconds. Some people show it like this. Tell me if you did not understand this. Just let me know. If you don't understand what I did, just let me know. See what I did here. I shifted the electron pair of this bond pair to X. It indicates that this bond is going to break. It indicates, me showing arrow like this indicates that this bond is going to break. And everyone knows that if this bond will break, X will take the electron. So X is actually attacking on X. X is actually attacking on H. Now, once this attack happens, you will get HX plus LX3. This is the entire mechanism. This is the entire mechanism. I hope you have shown like this. You have shown like this. No problem. If you have shown like this, that is also correct. Okay. So mechanism you have written. Now, we will mark a star, write some special points. And what are those? Just let me write. So, let me give you one point. We will write. There are following special points about FCR. Now, this FCR is very, very, very. What are those points? Number one, we will write in alkylation, rearranged product may form or may be formed. In alkylation, rearranged product may be formed. Means, let's see this reaction. You treat this benzene ring with this, we call it 1-chloropropane. 1-chloropropane or N-propyl chloride. N-propyl chloride. How, what will happen? Again, same thing. First of all, you will get to see this. These two will generate this carbocation, isn't it? And now what will happen next? This carbocation will be rearranged. Hydride shift like this. And then what will happen? this benzene ring will get attached not to the corner of this carbon, but to the middle of the carbon, like this. See, I'm attaching to the middle carbon, like this, M plus HCl. So what happened? You got rearranged product, not the exact same product, isn't it? Please note this. Okay. I hope it is clear. Okay. Any doubt? Now, can you get me the product of this reaction? Let's see, can you do it? Product. We have treated it with isobutyl bromide. Yes, that is correct. First of all, this will be generated, and by hydride shift, very good. This will be formed, and eventually this plus will directly attach. This 3-degree carbon will directly attach to this benzene ring like this, and this plus will be gone. I hope it is clear. Any doubt? You can attach this group anywhere in this benzene ring. I am attaching every time on the right side. If you wish, you can attach on the left. If you wish, you can attach on the top. If you wish, you can attach on the bottom. That is not an issue. Okay. Please complete this. Written? I hope. Next. This, mark a star, this rearrangement can be avoided by using weaker Lewis acid like FeX3. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say we have this and we are treating it with FeCl3. Now, what happens in case of FeCl3? See, again, mechanism goes like that only. Means mechanism happens like this. Again, Cl lone pair will be donated to FeCl3. Okay, same, everything will be same. See, plus will come on Cl, and after Cl gets plus, this FeCl3 gets minus. Same thing. But iron does not allow, see, iron does not require so much electron. Iron is a weaker Lewis acid. Why? Because if you look at aluminium, or boron, their octet is incomplete. Look at the boron and look at the aluminium. Their octet is incomplete. So they want electron badly. But in D block metal, what do we say? Octet completion is not required. In D block metal, this octet completion is not required. I hope you know this. So that is why they are not as good Lewis acid as AlCl3 and BF3. So what happens? This bond breaking does not take place. This bond breaking does not take place. It never happens. Okay, at least not like as I have shown. It will not happen. So what will happen in the end? You will get here delta plus. You will get here delta plus, and now your benzene ring will attack from the delta on the delta plus only. So now you are going to connect your corner carbon with benzene ring. So if your corner carbon on the benzene ring will be connected like this will be the product. See, previous case, in previous case, same reagent, but Lewis acid was different. I got rearranged product. But when I used FeCl3, I did not get a rearranged product. I got this. Please complete it fast. Okay. Let me know when you have done. Yes. Say. Done. Now get me the product of this reaction. Very similar reaction. See, although you may feel ki, sir, this is similar reaction, but let me tell you, if you give this question to any of your friend, they will make definitely it wrong, because they don't know the use of FeCl3, because NCERT does not mention it, or any other +2 level book does not mention it. So tell me what will happen in this case. What will be the product? Yes, and the challenge is to make it properly in a bond line fashion. Like this. Clear? Okay. So I think this first point is clear. That's why, see, it is very important, Friedel-Crafts reaction. That is why I'm paying so much attention to it. Second point. First point was this, rearrangement occurs. And second point I'm saying now. Second point is multi-alkylation takes place. Now, this is a very serious problem of Friedel-Crafts reaction. Multi-alkylation takes place. How? Let's understand. Can you guess the product of this reaction? What will be the product? Yes, we call it toluene. Methyl benzene. Methyl benzene, we will get the methyl benzene. At least this much we will think. At least this much we will think we will get methyl benzene. Now, tell me, when we will be performing this reaction, we will take a vessel in which we will have this benzene. We will add here Lewis acid, and we will add this CS3Cl. Now tell me, will we add just one molecule of each? Will we add just one molecule of each? Think. No. There will be lakhs and crores and thousands of molecules, isn't it? Crores of molecules will be added. Now, once you get to see this product is formed. Again, these two will react, CS3Cl and AlCl3. They will again generate something like this, CS3 plus, isn't it? Now, this CS3 plus will have two options. Either it will go to benzene or it will go to toluene. Think and tell me where it will go. Once you have generated one molecule or two molecule of toluene, and you have also generated another CS3 plus which is going to react now. So where it would like to go? It would like to go to first ring or second ring? Means next CS3 plus. It has got two options. Either it can react with original benzene, or it can react with benzene which is converted into toluene now. because reaction is going on. It's not like after reacting one molecule, reaction will be over. No, crores and arabs of molecules will react. So tell me, in which case, in where this CH3 plus would like to go now? Would it like to go to first benzening or second benzening? This is first and this is second. Tell me. Why second? Why second? Any reason? There must be a reason. Why it would like to go on second? Oh, see, what CS3 plus wants? Tell me. Which ring is more electron rich? Why? Yes, it is EDG. EDG means this will be more electron rich. Now, once you said it will be more electron rich, so CH3 plus will not go here. So practically, you are never going to get this mono substitution. You are always going to get multi substitution like this, or maybe some product like this, or maybe tri substitution as well. That will be minor, but we did not want it either. We did not want it. We don't want my ortho, we don't want para, we don't want anything. We just want one CS3. But that is not possible as you have already seen the multi-alkylation is taking place. Are you getting this? So this is a fault of, what do we say? Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Please note this. Hmm. What? Camera? Why it requires camera? See, no one's camera is switched on for now. Everyone, even my camera is turned off. Okay, fine. Moving forward. Okay, here we will write this can be avoided. Okay, he should give permission as well. If he hasn't given the permission to the browser, that will also be a reason. Okay, now this can be avoided by going for acylation. Once you go for acylation, this can be avoided. How? Let's see. Tell me what will be the product of this reaction. I'm not asking you again, and we have already seen it. This will be a product. Now tell me what is this? This is EWG or EDG? So now next carbocation, would it like to go on first ring or second ring? Next carbocation will not go here. It will go here only. Okay? Please note this. And further, we have some reagents that can convert C double bond O to CH2. We have reagents which can convert C double bond O to CH2. Don't worry. Okay, that reagent we will see later. So you will get only mono substitution, not multi substitution. Okay. Okay. Now, next point, let's say third, FCR is not given by rings connected with EWG stronger than Cl. Means if your benzene ring is connected with a EWG stronger than Cl, just forget about FCR as ring is too deactivated. So if your ring is very less electron rich, so FCR will not take place. Means if somebody asks you, tell me this one will give FCR, CHO, benzaldehyde, say no. If somebody asks, will benzoic acid will give FCR, say no. Will nitrobenzene will give FCR? Proudly say no. They will never give because these all are EWG. Okay, please note this. Meaning is ki why what will happen if you have attached with this EWG? Ring will be quite deactivated. Ring will be very less electron rich. That's why it happens. Now let me tell you a very strange point, just opposite of this. Written this third point. Okay, okay. Written? Very well. Now for today, just one last point because second point will take so much time. 12. Next is fourth, no? Is it fourth or fifth? Fourth. FCR is also not given by ring which is connected with strong EWG like NH2, NHR, OH. Wrote this. If your ring is connected with very strong EDG, then also FCR does not happen. Why? Why? Let's see. Huh? A ring will become more stable. No, not like that. See, let's say we have taken Rx and ALX3. Now, what is ALX3? ALX3 is Lewis acid. Generally, Rx becomes Lewis base, but nitrogen says in this entire world, I am famous as base. Even so many questions are made on me. Who is better base? Nitrogen is better base. So why you will give donate electron? I will give electron to ALX3. So this donation does not happen. This donation does not happen. Instead, your NH2 donates electron. So because of that, you get something like this. And here, nitrogen gets positive, so its minus I starts dominating. And once minus I dominates, so what happens? Does not undergo FCR. Okay. If you have PHOH, means benzene being connected with OH, it gives acylation but very slow. Reason is same. OH donates electron pair to your Lewis acid. That is why problem occurs. Okay. But you know, in future I will tell you this problem can also be solved. This problem can also be solved. We will discuss it later. Okay. Now, next point that I have to discuss, it will take some time, longer time. So please, your task will be to please read up to here, because after this, I will just give one more mechanism. Then we will start our hydrocarbons. Okay. Don't think hydrocarbon is class 11 chapter. You will find that mostly you have studied already. Mostly reactions you have studied already. Everything you have studied already. We will just quickly finish it. Okay. Chalo then, okay. I will send the recording as well if you are, if Monish was, oh, sir, Raja was having problem. We'll send the recording as well. Okay. Chalo. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.